My people, how are you all doing? Especially the one them we go through menopause. You know, today me dey at work and me attack. And midway, me totally forget what me I say. I'm being serious. The brain fog. Me don't know a dangerous something, you know. You know, this even me come home and me I reflect and me I say, did her grandparents or grandmother and her mothers not go through this? And me I think and me I say, you know what them used to say? Change your life. Change your life, kill me. But they never educated us or talked to us about these things. And I think that's why a lot of us are having such a difficult time with this menopause thing. We had to come learn this on our own. My people, it bad, you know? It bad, man. Me say the mood swings. Sometimes I know for myself, like the other day, I just find myself a ball. But me can't tell you what me a ball for. Me just a ball. Another thing, it can take you through this depressing stage where you just feel so depressed and you know you think all these depressing thoughts that come to mind. If you're not careful, you can just isolate yourself and it is such a depressing feeling. May I tell you, say, if I never the word of God, I don't know what I would do. Sometimes I have to stand strong and force myself to practice gratitude, knowing that I have life. Because this menopause thing not real, man. It take you down a road where you just feel as if you're all in this by yourself. And because we don't talk about it in our community, I don't know. Is it just me? Guys, sometimes you don't even want to put yourself together and go out. Like for me, it takes so much time to put myself together, to get up, even going to work, to show up. I got to make a conscious effort. I'm telling you, my people, this menopause is of the devil. Are the devil, man. But let me tell you, we have to stand firm and we have to support each other and we have to talk about it. How are you dealing with this devil thing, your menopause? What are you doing? How are you coping? What are you doing? I nobody tell me say on exercise because me try to exercise and try to be consistent. But Lord, sometimes I give up because I don't have the energy and the motivation. Me just keep it real. I don't know because this menopause thing I fling your left, right, center, up and down. I don't know. Guys, tell me, how are you coping? My people, how are you all doing? Especially the one them we go through menopause. You know, today me dey at work and me attack. And midway, me totally